It's my honor to recognize Deputy District Attorney Jodi Breton, and thank you for joining us here today. Deputy DA Breton has served the San Diego County for 32 years with exceptional dedication, particularly in protecting our most vulnerable residents, our children. She played a pivotal role in prosecuting one of the county's most egregious child sexual abuse cases. Despite 9 years of legal delays, Breton remained unwavering in her pursuit of justice, ultimately securing life sentences for both offenders. Deputy DA's commitment went beyond the courtroom, and she has fought against a flawed sentencing system to ensure that victims were heard and they were protected. Her work stands as a powerful example of ethical, compassionate, and resilient public service. So therefore, the County of San Diego, we are committed to recognizing and honoring those individuals who are dedicated to the best ideals of public service, and Deputy District Attorney Jodi Breton is one such worthy individual. So be it proclaimed by all of the members of the San Diego County Board of Supervisors on this 26th day of 2025 that we commend Deputy District Attorney Jodi Breton for her outstanding service, leadership, and commitment to the citizens of San Diego, and do hereby declare this day, I'll let you hold this here, okay, this day to be Deputy District Attorney Jodi Breton Day throughout San Diego County. You can applaud. Thank you. All right, you have a few words you want to say?
Sure, thank you.
Go ahead, speak, yeah, go ahead.
So I'd like to thank Supervisor Desmond and all the County Board of Supervisors for this honor today, and it has been my honor to represent the people of San Diego County for the last 32 years, and in particular, our most vulnerable residents, our children. The people that have helped me in that endeavor that have brought us here today is District Attorney Investigator Scott Stallman, Patricia Laver-Macoca, she's a Deputy District Attorney, and Carla Reynoso, she has been my paralegal.
Get you to the mic.
Sure, and one of the things that I'm hoping to do today is to bring attention to what I think is a flaw in the current sentencing scheme for child predators. Right now, the woman that we're here about today, Brittany Lyon, you can read about her online, she got a sentence of 100 years to life. Now that sounds like a great sentence, but what it really means is all she has to do is reach age 50 and serve approximately 30 years, which with custody credits puts her at approximately 28 years, give or take. And if you're one of these children that were brutally, sexually, violently attacked by her or her boyfriend, hearing that your perpetrator is going to get 100 years to life sounds great, but it's not when you recognize that all she has to do is get to age 50 and serve, again, approximately 28 years. There is nothing, having been a child abuse prosecutor, and these people that are standing next to me have all worked with child sexual assault cases, will tell you that there's nothing magical about turning 50 that no longer makes you a danger or a child predator. In fact, oftentimes the number of children that you have access to grows as you have grandchildren, great-grandchildren, nieces, and nephews. All you need to do to be a child predator is to have will and desire. And all of us will tell you that we routinely have defendants that are in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and indeed in their 80s. We have defendants that are in wheelchairs that coax children to sit up on their lap and they will molest them. And right now there is a legislation before the state. It's called Maribella's Law. And it is designed to close this loophole so that when somebody brutally rapes a child and does the types of torture and sadistic things that were done to the 3-year-olds, 2 little 3-year-olds and 2 7-year-olds, one of whom was nonverbal, and the 2 3-year-olds obviously could not communicate in a way that was meaningful or explain what was happening to them. We want these children to know that when they get a sentence, their perpetrator gets a sentence of 100 years to life, it means 100 or it means life, but it means something other than just 28 years. That's simply not fair. It's my belief that this is just simply an oversight by the legislature. Today, the County Board of Supervisors are going to be voting to hopefully lend their support to Maribella's Law and changing this so that as prosecutors, we don't have to tell our victims 25 years down the road, hey, the guy that did this kidnapped you and did this horrible thing to you, well, he's going to get out. Well, Miss Jodi, you promised he'd never get out. I know, but that's not what the law is now. So I'm hoping that as a community, we lend support to Mary Bella's law and changing this loophole. I'm hoping that the County Board of Supervisors today will vote to also support changing the loophole, and that we all as a community decide that we're going to protect the child and not the child molesters and the child rapists. Let's protect the children together. Thank you so much for today.
Wow.